To our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to analyze data in Excel using Copilot AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply analyze data in Excel using your Copilot AI, then all you gotta do is simply first get started. You need to have a file and a data prep. You need to ensure that your Excel file is saved in your OneDrive or SharePoint for Copilot to work. So you can format it as table. So first of all, you need to open your Copilot. Once you're open your Copilot, all you gotta do is simply ask questions. After you have done this, you need to add insights like click on add to new sheet, refine on ask follow-up questions, or use the undo button. And you can also use the is equals to Copilot function that is in cell and have advanced actions in your app skills. So this is how you can analyze data in Excel using Copilot AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.